Hello everyone, welcome to Tick Exams. Tick Exam is an affordable learning platform. We have our mobile app. Please download it on the Play Store. We have test series for all the exams. Very soon we'll be coming with the video courses. So today we are looking at a very small terminology which is important for your exam called Ricardian equivalence. This terminology is mentioned in your NCERTs also. Ricardian equivalence, quite an important. Within 2 minutes we'll try to understand what is this terminology all about. Now, it's important for your all competitive exams, whether it's UPSC, whether it's KPSC, SSC, banking, railways. These small terminologies, they come in the form of MCQs. Consider the following: which of the following statements are true or false statements. So, what is Ricardian principle? Ricardian equivalence talks about a very beautiful thing. It says that whether government borrows or whether government tax, whether the government borrows, because government has to borrow for spending on the economy, or whether government tax on the individuals, whether indirect or direct tax, to basically get the revenue, because government requires money, right, to spend on health, infrastructure, road, railways, etc. It will have same effect on economy. This is his idea. Ricardian, right? He says that whether the government borrows or whether they tax, it will have same effect on the economy. Now you might be a little confused. What is the difference? See, when we borrow, we have to repay. When we borrow from public, when we borrow from World Bank, when we borrow from foreign companies, when we borrow from foreign countries, we have to repay. Taxation, government did not have to repay because there is a tax on it. So he says that whether the government borrows or tax and earn the money, it will have equal effect. Because usually we have a thinking, today's government borrows 200 rupees for next 25 years. Obviously, this government will go in 10 years. Let's see, the generation changes. My kids will come. Now they have to pay back this loan, right? This government has to pay back this loan, either by taxing or whatever it is. So it's a burden on the future generation. Is a rough idea we have in mind. If you borrow today, tomorrow the next generation has to repay back this money, and they may not have the money for road, railways, internet. But Ricardian says that it is neutral. He says that it's not needed. You can borrow and spend because according to his principle, people are futuristic. He says that people do know in mind if they have to pay back this money in future. Government do have it idea if they have to pay back this money in the future. So they will always plan in a way that it will not affect the economy as a whole. So in a simple way, he says that whether the government borrows or whether there is a taxation, it will have an equal effect on economy. Okay. So tomorrow if they ask you in prelims or any other multiple choice question, you should know that Ricardian equivalence says if the government earns revenue either by borrowing or by taxation, it will have equal effect on the economy. Right? You do not have to go to mathematical form of it. Right now, just remember the principle because it's important for our class. Okay? Please download our app. Thank you. Goodbye. Take care.